How to block the whole screen with interaction control on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on accessibility. So you will see accessibility is here, so click on accessibility. Now here, so click on interaction and dexterity. So after click on interaction and dexterity, so click on interaction control. So after click on interaction control, so if you want to block the whole screen with interaction control, so first of all turn off interaction control shortcut button. So after turn off interaction control shortcut button, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can block the whole screen with interaction control on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.